Someone asked me the other day, what is my daily carry? This little thing, the Leatherman little squirt. Let me show you why. The first reason, yeah, it's a Leatherman. So there's the logo right there, the Squirt PS4. I've had this little pocket knife slash multi-tool tool for over 5 years. One of the tools did break. Trying to think which one it was. I think it was the nail file, but the blade still works. I've used the pliers dozens and dozens and dozens of times. In fact, I just used them to pull this 2032 battery out, and I use this little Phillips head slash flathead slash screwdriver attachment all the time. And then there's also this one right here, so we can close this. Then I can expand this, and there's the flathead. But sometimes this can be a flathead, but not really. There's also skizzers. Oh yeah. Not the sharpest tool in the shed, but sharp enough. And I quite often use this. I've actually given this some screen time for unboxings here and there. I do have a larger Leatherman, but this one is just the portable one that goes on my keychain. It goes with me pretty much anywhere, and it doesn't create a large displacement in your pocket. I don't know how else to say that. It's not heavy. It's just great. I also like that it's blue, and I'm surprised how well it's weathered and that it still is blue. This part, wow. I think what happened, oh, you know what? I was prying something that I shouldn't have been, and that's when I broke the nail file. So we have the nail file, we have the blade, that's 1, 2. We have the pliers, that's 3. We have the flathead, that's 4, 5. Scissors, 6. Is that everything? Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good enough for me. I don't know how much these are. This was a gift from someone nice. Might have been my wife. If it wasn't my wife, I think it was my sister. So now I can show you how useful this is, because we need to cut this open. So we'll close that, and we'll use the knife. Of course. They make these things so hard to open. Okay, don't do this at home, kids. Notice I am using the knife poked away from me. Oh, it went right through. Okay, let's try this. Oh, see, it says to use scissors, but we're not going to. Ah, there we go. We're close. We're close. This is where you can use the pliers, because they don't want people lifting these when they're at Walmart. And now we can extract. Now this is to prevent from swallowing, which I think is brilliant. Thank you very much, Energizer. And then this is my garage door opener with the face up. So then we just slide that in there like so. Yay, the lights are on again. And now we carefully put it back on. Make sure you want to line up the dots. And then I've actually already reviewed this. If you want to watch how to program this universal remote, it's on the link in the description, or if you're on YouTube right now, it's popping up right above you. And now we just flip out a little Phillips head, and then we carefully just rotate that righty-tighty. You definitely don't want to use a power tool for this, because you'll strip it. And in this case, stripping is not a good thing when it comes to tools or garage remotes. I believe I got 2 for 20 or 2 for 30. Press the button. Oh yeah, I might have just accidentally opened and closed my garage door. See, it has that thing right there where you're supposed to be able to get the battery out. You have to take it apart. But this is so you can do a reset if you need to. There we go. A very useful tool. And a follow-up, the remotes still work. Had to replace the battery, and thank goodness for Walmart, right? But Leatherman SQUIRT PS4. It's handy, it's portable, and it endures for, this might be a decade old. I think it is closer to a decade, not 5 or 6 years, but pliers work great, multi-tool, and this is my daily carry. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.